we have a question here. The question reads thus: two numbers are in the ratio 5 to 7. When 15 is added to each number, the ratio changes to 5 to 6. Find the sum of the two numbers. Now, what this question is saying is this: we have two numbers, A and B, and their ratio is 5 to 7. That is, A ratio B is 5 to 7. In other words, you can say it's A all over B equal to 5 all over 7. Now, when 15 is added to A and 15 is added to B, their ratio changes, and it changes to 5 to 6. The question now says that we should find the sum of A and B. That is, what is A plus B? Just as we have done here, you can do the same thing here. It's A all over B, this one all over this one. Is equal to 5 over 6. I can decide to call this one equation 1. And this I call equation 2. So we have equation 1 and then equation 2. Now from this equation 1, it is possible for us to say A is equal to, I want to do cross multiplication here. 5 times B is 5B all over 7. And that is A. Now, let's simplify this one. I can also cross multiply this in such a way that I say 6 multiplied by everything here and 5 multiplied by everything here. So let me call this one equation 3. So this one becomes 6 multiplied by equals 5 multiplied by this. A all over B equal to 5 over 7. Let's keep it here. Can we simplify this one further? 6 times A, 6A. 6 times 15, 90. 5 times B, 5B. 5 times 15, 75. Now we have 6A plus 90. Let me take this 75 to the other side of the equation, and it becomes minus 75. (6A) 90 minus 75. That is 15, equal to 5B. So I may decide to call this one equation 4 or any name. Now, don't forget that I am trying to find what is A and what is B. Now from here, you can do cross multiplication and you get your A to be. A is equal to 5 times B all over 7. I want to substitute what is A here so that I can find what is my B. Now we have 6. Your A is 5 over 7. Then plus 15 equals 5B. So you can see now we have B. So it's possible for us now to find what is B. So this is what we have here. Let's multiply this by 6. 6 times 5, that's 30B. All over 7 plus 15 equal to 5B. So I want to make this equation linear. I don't want to see fraction. So multiply each term by 7. So you have So I can cancel this, and I have my 30B plus 7 times 15, that's 105, equals 7 times 5 is 35. Don't forget once again that I'm trying to find what is my B. Let me collect like terms. So that's 30B minus 35B. Because this one is brought to this other side of the equation, it becomes minus 35B is equal to, this also can go to the other side of the equation, and it will become minus 105. 30B minus 35B is minus 5B. Now divide both sides by minus 5. So this one cancel. So it becomes, this minus minus become plus. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So your B is 21. So let's keep that one here. B is 21. To get the value of A, you can substitute B equal to 21 in any of the equation. But I decide to use this one, which is A all over B is equal to 5 all over 7. So I want to put my B to be 21. So 21 will be here. So the next thing is to now find A. Let's cross multiply. 7 times A is 7A. 5 times 21. So to get my A, I divide by 7. 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So my A is 15. We now add A and B, because the question says what is the sum of the two numbers. Five plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the sum of the two numbers is 36. You can cross-check whether you are correct. The question, from the beginning, the question says that A ratio B is equal to 5 ratio 7. Let's find out, is it true? A is 15. B is 21. Now, this is the same thing as 15 all over 21. 3 goes here, 5. 3 goes here, 7. So this is 5 ratio 7, which is correct. Now, let's now go further. The question says that when you add 15 to A and you add 15 to B, the ratio changes to 5 to 6. Is it true? Okay, let's see. A is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. B is 21. 21 plus 15 is 36. This is 30 all over 36. 6 goes here, 5. 6 goes here, 6, which is the same thing as 5 ratio 6. So which means the answer to this question is correct.